So here's the gate to the property. Can be locked up so that your property is secured. The boundaries of the property go to that fence line there. And these trees are also part of the property. And the house is down that hill. This is the city of Termini Imerese. This structure here is also a part of the property. It does need a new roof, but it could be storage for farm equipment, that kind of thing. And this is a main state highway, fully paved all the way down to Termini Imerese. So this is the area where you'd park your car. You could park a couple of cars here, plenty of space. This looks back up to your trees, your fruit trees, your olive trees. We created this really lovely seating area here under the trees. I'm sure is really nice in the summer. You have shade here in the afternoon from these trees. This walkway goes all the way around the house. Here's your views. I really love this covered porch. I'm sure it's very breezy and cool in the summer. So the sun is going to be coming from the east in the morning and heading over this way. So you're really never going to have direct sunlight in this area. So nice and cozy. And then we'll head inside. So here's the front door, the front entryway, nice entryway. They've got hooks for everybody. Nice place to drop all of your things, shoe area. And then this is the living room area. Really nice and spacious. Wood burning stove stays. They've done such a nice job with keeping the walls bright and with the decor. Those stairs lead up to the upper areas for bedroom or workspace. They have a large dining table here. Seats up to 8 people, but you could actually have a larger table if you needed. This built-in bookcase stays, and here are your views out the dining room window. So much light in this room. It's really bright and spacious. It's a really nice custom little desk area that they built. Be sure to click like and subscribe to see all the new homes we have available in Sicily. And moving into the first bathroom, full-size shower, beautiful tile work. There's a water heater in here. And then the kitchen, brand new kitchen cabinets, beautiful tile work. That's a traditional Sicilian style. And then a custom table here, really nice. This door leads out to a porch on the side where they have an outdoor dining table, views of the olive trees and the mountains behind. This is the water storage area. I can get into that more Every house needs to have a cistern or some sort of water storage, and that's one of theirs. And this is the view out to the back, looking up the property. There's a really nice little seating area over to the side that I will show you when I head outside. These cabinets have a lot of storage space, really nice design, more of a traditional design, really beautiful color. Let's head back out to the main hallway. Bedroom number 1. Tile floors are all in really nice condition. So we're back to the front door. Another bedroom. This room has views out to the sea. There's also cross breeze throughout the house. So if you open up all the windows in the summer, you've got great airflow from that direction going in this direction and going across here to this third bedroom. They've done a beautiful job decorating. And here we have another full bath. Really nice light. Also with a brand new water heater. Now we'll head upstairs where there's actually more beds right now, but it could become more of a workspace, storage area. Look at the beautiful tile work there in the middle. So they have this set up as bedrooms. Lots of space. Could be a great artist studio, workshop. We'll head back downstairs. Now we'll head outside. All right, now I will show you the property. So you can see the fence line there, goes all the way down that ridge. And then there's a fence right before that house over there. And then it comes up along the side over here. Right now I'm gonna show you this walkway around the house. So these trees inside that fence line belong to the property all the way up there. These are old growth olive trees right there. Here's that little area off the kitchen for outdoor dining. I'm sure they use this all the time. You could even put a pergola over the top to have a little bit of covering. And dine with your sea views. There's the door to the kitchen. This is an old barn door that they found here on the property. It was on another building, but they put it there, and I think it's just fantastic. Again, the kitchen window. One of the bedroom windows. All of those trees belong to the property. And we're back to the parking area. Here's the structure that can be turned into another living space, or right now it's being used as sort of a workshop. Property line goes all the way up in that direction. So the cistern they were talking about turning into a pool, and you certainly could still do that. So obviously it needs a new roof and some work to the walls. It has this old pizza oven, bread oven that could probably be restored. I am not sure about that, but anything's possible here. The roof is intact in this area, and they're just using it for storage right now. So it does have a lot of potential, but obviously it needs a lot of work. Could be turned into a nice guest suite. If you wanted this for a vacation rental, it could be additional rooms for that. And here we are back up at the house. It's just a beautiful property. You've got the trees, you've got the views, obviously, and you've got shaded areas, which is sometimes unusual. If you wanted to slap a coat of plaster or paint on the exterior, that could work, but I kind of like it rustic and natural. Look at this nice little seating area they created. And I wanted to mention, this is a water tank that's fed from the streams coming down from the mountains. This is another water tank, and there's another one down below. They said they hang hammocks out here in the summer and read books under the trees. So there you have it. Beautiful house.